Hello and welcome to this Dia de los Muertos edition of Glam Tones. My name is Gigi. Today we are going to celebrate the Day of the Dead, which happens on November the 1st and is a holiday designed to honor and remember your friends and your family who have passed and who you want to just bring back into your life and into your heart. Okay? So let's go ahead and do that using this beautiful stamper full of skulls. I love that Dia de los Muertos has a lot of skulls and a lot of awesome imagery in it. The colors are fantastic. I love all the flowers and everything that you see in the skulls. It's just such a beautiful holiday, and it's a great way to just remember the people you've had in your life. So on this particular one, we're just going to do a quick 4-color ombre. Everything is going to be ombre today, but this one's going to be 4. Now here's a quick tip. Whatever way you want your ombre to go, make sure that you do your scraping that way. Otherwise you're going to blend your colors together, which is nice. It's just a different look. So if you're going for an ombre, make sure that you're going the direction excuse me, with your scraper that your colors are going, right? And don't forget to clean your brushes, because when you're doing an ombre, your brushes can get muddied up and you don't want to transfer colors from one bottle to the other bottle. That's not good. Now that came out pretty cute. The top and bottom did not transfer as well as you want, but I liked the rustic feel of it, so I went on ahead and left it. Now we're going to continue with that ombre theme throughout the rest of the nails, but I also thought we would go over a couple of quick tips for making your stamping a little bit better. One thing that you definitely want to try is having multiple stampers around. If one stamper won't pick up an image, another one might. I really love my Queen, which is this one, but my McCart sometimes picks up better on other images. So I always have that handy just in case I need it. So that's just one quick little tip. Try different stampers if you're not having a lot of luck, and make sure as well that your stamper is super sticky. You can wash it with soap and water, dry it off, and then remove any lint that you have on there with your tape. And tape, you can use a really quality painter's tape or a lint roller. I prefer the tape because you get a lot more bang for your buck like that. And it's made specifically not to leave any residue behind. It's painter's tape. So like the Duck brand or something, get that kind. Have everything ready before you get started. If you're looking around for your stamper after you've already scraped, your polish is going to dry fast, and maybe you're not going to pick up that well because the polish dried too quick. Everything should be ready and at your fingertips before you get started. That's so important. Another thing to think about is the quality of your plates. My favorite plates currently are these by Beauty Big Bang, but also my Born Pretty plates, and also I have some by CADS that are fantastic. I do have some by a company named Wakoda that are so bad you can barely get an image from them. And when that kind of thing happens, it's discouraging, but that doesn't mean your stamping is bad if you happen to get a bad plate, right? So if you're stamping well with other things and you get a product that just doesn't work, it's probably the product and not so much you. And lastly, just keep all your instruments really clean. A little spray of alcohol will remove any residue and help you to be able to pick up your image a lot better. So have your acetone handy for cleaning and your alcohol handy for shining, because sometimes that acetone leaves a little bit behind and you don't want a cloudy image. There you go. That's some of my tips for just getting your stamping done right. If you have any extra tips for everybody, please hit me below so that we can all share our knowledge together. That's how we grow as a community and we get better with our art. And you know what? There's a lot of people out there that say stamping isn't art. Did you make a pretty nail? That's art, okay? If you were stamping in some other medium, that would still be art, right? So don't let people and their judgmental ways tell you that you're not doing something awesome because you do stamping. There are so many stamping artists out there, like Talia at Talia's Nail Studio. She primarily stamps, and her nails are freaking gorgeous. I just noticed I had a little bit of extra polish on the top of that, so I cleaned it off and re-top coated it. But here we are, guys. This is our Dia de los Muertos set for the year. I know today's video was super quick, but sometimes they are super quick, right? Stamping is fast. That's why it's so much fun, I think, because you can get a really good looking nail super, super quick. Guys, I want to tell you how much I love you and how grateful I am that you guys come by and watch my videos. And if you're still here, give me a little skull in the comment section so that I know you're still here. And we're going to see you in the next video. Mwah! Happy Dia de los Muertos!